Hello everyone, back again in Catia Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create pads using the Up to Surface option. First, open Pad 5, Cat Part document. You can download it at the link provided in the description. Click File on the toolbar. Select Open, or you can press Ctrl+O. After the file opens, select the profile to be extruded. Click Pad. The Pad Definition dialog box appears and the application previews a pad with a default dimension value. In the Type field, set the type option to Up to Surface. Select the vertical circular face. This face belongs to the same body as the existing pad. Using the Up to Surface option, you can select a face belonging to the same body as the sketch or a face belonging to part body. The face trims the extrusion. Click OK. The pad is created. The specification tree indicates this creation. In the next video, I will show you how to create pads or pockets from surfaces. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video.